Hi, it's me again. I am Natalia and I am an Intrepid English teacher. Are you looking for one-to-one support in learning a language? I know how easy it is to get lost in the group environment. In fact, I have been there myself. Here it is exactly how one-to-one program at Intrepid English works. First of all, it is very flexible, so the student can choose the time and the date for their classes which suits them best. Second, our classes are personalized. You work at your own speed or pace. Next, language is taught through the subjects and topics that you are interested in. Also, students set up their own goals, which can be changed through the time. It is very important that students can build their own confidence in a safe space. You are not comparing yourself with others. So, you can get better results faster. If you have any more questions, please drop me a line and we have a chat. See you. Enjoy your time.